Hey guys, I'm Mandy Wildman, and I just wanted to somebody asked me the other day, hey, why don't you tell us sort of what your experience is with Skool.com? That's Skool.com. And you know, it's about time. I've been with Skool as a community owner, not a member, but an owner of a community for coming up for 12 months. And I just wanted to tell you that I had tried creating an upcycled sewing community on several different platforms. I don't want to say which platforms, but I can tell you that I ransacked the possible ideas of platforms that I could set up my community on. And eventually, I sort of bit the bullet and circled back around to one I had seen earlier, which was Skool.com. And for the kind of community that I wanted, with the kind of functionality that I was looking for, Skool.com's $99 a month offer had the best functionality, had the best stuff that I wanted as a community owner, but it was the most expensive at that time. They do have a $9 a month community, much cheaper. And it's great if you're just getting started with communities, but I happen to have a community on Facebook that has got a lot of people in it. So anyway, my community on Skool is called Upcycled Sewing Rebels. We call ourselves the Refashion Rebels. But we make clothing out of, well, we make new clothing and accessories and wearable art out of discarded clothing, vintage fabrics, things that are headed for the landfill. And that's what we do. But circling back around to kind of what Skool is like, for me, it sort of took off. I mean, did it take off? No. At first, when you first start your community, you're going to be sitting there and it's going to be like, oh, crickets. You know, nobody's coming to my community. It was scary. I invited people from Facebook and some of them went, what? And some of them came ahead, came over and joined. And for the first couple of months, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm spending $100 a month. What's going to happen? How am I, going to sort of recoup my money? But it wasn't about the money. It was about my passion for this community and my passion for keeping discarded clothing out of the landfill. And eventually, people other community owners or other community members on Skool started noticing my community, which I was gradually getting like 50 members, 100 members, 200, 300, so today, 11 and a half months later, I am earning a little bit over $800 a month. That is money that comes in every single month. It's not going to, maybe it's nothing to write home about, but I can tell you this, as a side hustle, it's a bit of a game changer. It could be a game changer for anybody, right? $800. But just the beauty of Skool is that you have this fantastic platform, and they really help you. Skool actually advertises your community for you, which I think is incredible. It has a classroom. You can do live videos. The live videos with my community and my members has been a game changer. That alone was worth the price of admission. So, this is, I suppose you could call it a review of Skool.com. And I have been very happy with it. I've been happy. I tried others and it was literally like crickets. Well, it doesn't matter if the other platforms, the other community platforms are what, $30 a month cheaper or something like that, or $10 a month, any kind of cheaper, because I was never going to make money. I was never going to earn money. But more importantly, I was never going to find my people. I was never going to build my upcycling rebels village that I sort of pictured in my mind. And now I have it. I have that community on Skool.com. And I think you should try it. I mean, if you love building communities and you love people and creativity, in my case, if you love people and you have something that you can help them with and show them, I definitely recommend Skool.com.